Hey there, got a minute? Let me tell you a cool story about this company called Velocity. Back in 2014, they had this brilliant idea to create ready-made toolkits for industries like insurance, healthcare, finance, and so many, all built on the Salesforce platform. Imagine this. Instead of starting from zero or paying a consultant to build a custom solution, companies could just install Velocity's package on their Salesforce. A few tweaks here and there, and boom, you're ready to go. It was a real time and money saver. Now fast forward to 2020, Salesforce saw what Velocity was doing and thought, hey, we need that. So they bought Velocity and rebranded it as Salesforce Industries. So when you hear Salesforce Industries, just think of it as a ready-made solution for your industry that you can easily tweak to fit your needs. Now, why should you care about Salesforce Industries? Well, it's a game changer. It offers real-time collaboration, tool for generating new businesses, new efficient workflows, and easier goal setting for tracking. Plus, it helps businesses go digital faster and transform their industry. As for the cost, Salesforce Industries works on a subscription basis. So, you pay a monthly or annual fee based on what you need. For the exact numbers, you would have to check out their pricing and packaging guide or get in touch with Salesforce directly. And don't worry about the learning curve. Sure, it might vary depending on your experience and the specific industry cloud you're working with. But Salesforce has got you covered with a ton of resources to help you learn, including Salesforce Learning Paths, Trailheads, Partner Learning Camp, etc. So, that's Salesforce Industries for you, a real-time saver, risk reducer, and business booster. If you want to know more about Salesforce Industries, I would recommend you all to check out this webinar. Here, we have discussed almost everything you need to know. Also, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Salesforce Hulk. Thank you.